That's not the end of the video.
Storm that we're seeing here in the flashing polygon is where we have seen these 80 to 90 miles per hour.
South Central Monona County, Northwestern Mills County, and Southwestern
I had to.
Potawatomi County, and
You
Southwestern.
know what? I'm doing this on broadcast mode.
Omaha Metro, and just mentioned, near that's going to be extended.
Ooh.
We have our severe thunderstorm warning for those
It's confirmed for us.
winds, now including more parts of Potawatomi County.
Sirens are going off.
Details
I just say a wireless emergency so we can continue.
at 80 miles per hour. And severe
May I wake up the right way, yes. I know it's boring.
Potawatomi, Harris,
Ring, 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 ring.
Shelby, Sarpy,
I don't have the bell on me, but still, right?
Douglas, Saunders County, both on the Nebraska and the Iowa side. This warning now extended until 6:45. Seeing that line.
That's how I'm this way, right?
That's considerable damage to roofs.
Miles per hour, but these wind gusts, 80 to 90
Damage and power outages are likely.
with these
I'm gonna stay with you guys. I'm gonna cancel the video that I was recording.
to seek shelter now if you are on the
Air
roads
Force
and
Base,
someone on the
Carter
roads
Lake,
pull off.
Fort Calhoun, Crescent, Kennard,
Damage to
airfield around 6:10 a.m.
Hopefully everything feels okay. 'Cause they got damaged last year with the just
great, but that is those are all the places where you are not.
my cat. Are you okay, Checkers? Oh, sorry, she doesn't like getting pet that much, but I can give her some. I need more still support. Okay, she's purring.
Includes the following highways: Interstate 29,
Come over here. I only need some more still support right now.
And what we are expecting with this
Iowa
storm
between
during
mile markers 1 and 37.
Omaha, now moving into
Interstate 80 in Nebraska
downtown,
between mile
If the power goes out,
Council Bluffs, Crescent, Bellevue, Blair,
I
Office,
think we're good. This is New Year 7.
and